This Remax House Values property video is presented by Kathleen Corder. Turnkey, level private lot, backs to forever parkland. Charming covered front porch. New kitchen, granite tops, stainless appliances. Refinished hardwood floors. Freshly painted. Open floor plan. Living room open to kitchen, flows to separate dining room with French doors that lead to tranquil partial fenced backyard. Second floor boasts spacious master with walk-in closets. 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath. Convenient second floor laundry. Rainbow Lakes community offers clubhouse, lake access and area parks for recreation. Walkabout community, desirable commuter location with easy access to major routes, charming downtown Denville and NJ transit. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathleen Corder at 973-770-7777.